In this video, we will cover determining the family category and determining the part type. When you are creating families, it's critical that they are assigned to the correct category and part type. The category controls some of the default parameters that will be available and also controls how the visibility and graphic display will be handled in the project. Let's take a look at how this works. I'll select one of the transformers in the project, and in the Properties palette you can see that this is an electrical equipment component. I'll click Edit Family to open the component in the Family Editor. When creating a family, you typically start by choosing the template that you want to use to create the family. The category will be specified by default based on that template, but sometimes you may need to adjust this. On the Create ribbon, in the Properties panel, click Family Category and Parameters. This opens the Family Category and Parameters dialog. In the Family Category section, you can see that electrical equipment is selected. Back in the project, this was what the transformer was listed as, was electrical equipment. But if needed, you could adjust that here. Also, in the Family Parameters section, you can see a part type parameter. This is an additional level of classification for a family. When you expand the drop-down, you can see the options. These options will be different depending on what the category is. So for electrical equipment, we have equipment switch, other panel, panel board, switchboard, and transformer. So this will affect how the electrical equipment behaves in the project. In this case, it's a transformer. I'll click Cancel to close the dialog and then switch back to the project. Next, I'll select a cable tray fitting and then click Edit Family. You can also control the part type in the Properties palette. This cable tray fitting is a channel elbow, and when I expand the drop-down, you can see several other options. Once again, the part type will add an additional level of classification to the family, but it also controls how it behaves in the family. So the part type of channel elbow allows it to be a channel elbow in the family. And so the family is a channel horizontal bend, and then it can be selected for a channel elbow for a cable tray type, and then it can be swapped out for other channel elbows in the project. I'll switch back to the project one more time, and I'll type VV to open the Visibility Graphic Overrides dialog, and you can see here that on the Model Categories tab, the visibility and graphic display settings are by category. So once again, it's critical that the category and part type be specified correctly when you first create a family. That way it will behave like you want it to in the project.